The Serie A has many great strikers, whether that be Balotelli, Vucinic, Tevez, Ibarbo, Higuain, Di Natale, just to name a few. But ladies and gentlemen, I present to you the best of the best, Immobile. Immobile? But anyway guys, this guy's absolutely insane. Definitely go out and buy him, and I bet you want to know why he is so good, so I'm going to tell you. Yeah, but as you can see, his FUT stats don't look brilliant, but he does have that only 450 coin price tag. But honestly, just ignore the stats with him. He only does have 2-star skills and 3-star weak foot, but he possesses the trait he tries to beat the offside trap. But I will show you some of the goals that he's scored for me, and honestly, ignore his footed stats because they do not do him justice whatsoever. Right then guys, so it is goal time, and as you can see, Immobile just got a nice goal there, and then this one is a little finesse, but I just can't stress how good this guy actually is. For only 450 coins, it seems stupid that no one would want to go pick him up. You can see quite far out the box, he just takes a little finesse and puts it in the bottom corner. Same here as well, he doesn't even need a run up there. He's an absolute monster. He'd fit in my opinion, I prefer him to someone like Di Natale, because Di Natale I don't think is very good on this game, and he's about 10k. But Immobile's 450 coins, and he just destroys defences. He's so good. And as I mentioned before, for 450 coins, you would have to be stupid not to want to buy him. So a few of these goals are goals from my Road to Division 1 series. And I remember when I was playing that, I remember being blown away by how good he actually was. Whether it be in the air or on his feet, or even kneeing the ball into the net, he can do it. He can score from anywhere outside the box, 6-yard box. And look at this, he just catches it on his chest, gets past two, smashes it on the first time hit into the top corner. And I believe that was actually on his weak foot. And it only says he has 3-star weak foot, but if he can do that on his weak foot, then what's the use of anything? And there he just gets a nice left-footed finesse into the bottom corner on the volley. I'll show that replay there. But yeah, I think I've got this last clip coming up, which was a lovely chip from Immobile, and that's all I wanted to say really guys. For 450 coins, this guy is so good. Go out and buy him for your Serie A or Italian team now. Peace!